Hello, welcome back to another episode of Minecraft. On today's episode I shall be doing a hardcore map which is called Slime Survival. The texture pack that I'm using is Sharp Design. Can't get any sharper than this. So let's get started. Must rename this world. Slime. Slime Survival. Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to spawn here. It says hello, welcome to Slime Survival. Reform thread before playing, please. So yeah. So it said on the thread you got chests here. So level 10, which is XP level 10, you can open up that and so forth. Like 2 stacks of slime balls, which is 64. Like 2 stacks of 64, you can open up that. 2 stacks of bones. Double chest of slime balls. Oh, 2 chests I think. Level 80, 2 stacks of gunpowder, copper, and the power. Oh, I don't know. And then finish all before I open the chest. So this is my starter chest. What do you get? Yeah, wooden pickaxe, a piece of wood, wooden axe, and a wooden sword of sharpness. So, and you also notice when you spawn, yeah, whoa, tons of time. Hex that. Yeah, pretty good. Sweet. Holy crap. Okay, small, small, small. That is actually pretty good, that's smart. What he's done now is actually pretty smart. Yeah, it's pretty smart. Let me know, let me know. Well, okay, so I'll feed the slimes out. Okay, well maybe I did not feed the slimes. But it never, oh, I'm golden. It never said anything about using the blacksmith, so I'm guessing you are allowed to use that, I hope. But I'm not gonna try anything, so I may not use it, I don't know. I won't open it. I don't know if it's got a lock on it, like you can't open it until you level 10 sort of lock thing. So I'm not going to take any chances, so I'm not even going to open it. Okay, there's a slime there. Maybe if I kill him. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, the overpower. Then overpower the slime. Okay, okay. Save it. Slime. Mallow. Hey, so, I need to put this. Oh, look at the. Look it down. Look it down. Look it down. Oh, this makes sense. It's great. Fourth level so far, 14 slime balls. Can you check on your phone? No. No, that's it. Check check little friends are. Yo, Mr. Gillian, you gonna like text now? So I'm part of your NPC villa house. Technically now. Okay. Oh, it's still an idea. I won't go out there. Okay. Oh! Oh, hell! Yeah, I don't know what that's meant to do, really. A weird door, maybe? An iron door? Because it's iron, so... Could be an iron door, but it's modified to slide open. But yeah, it's pretty cool, I suppose. So I'm probably gonna pause the video here. No, I'll pause it off here, okay. I'm waiting until it comes daytime. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and wait until it's daytime. So yeah, it's daytime now, so I'm probably gonna head out. Stuff is stuff will be burning out there. So now it's my chance to like overcome my fears. Head out. Get this on. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah, that's me just like farm bashing now. There's a nest, this is where I wanted to go. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. Give me that. No. Oh. Oh. Okay. Right. Oh, there's slime in there. There's slime down the road. Oh. God, God, God. Oh, hey, dude. Okay. The moment I've been fighting for is for this chest. What is in it? What? Sugarcane and snow. Just what I wanted. Wow. Just wasted my time on crap. Okay. Thanks. Oh, what the hell? What's all you feel? And then you see this little clicker. Yeah. You never call me. I don't know if I would like to do that with. No, my contract. Whoa. Oh crap, it's all great. It's great. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Good on you, Anders. Oh crap. You. Oh, we can't jump through that. So, I got some wood. So, yeah, I'm gonna pause the video again and skip my crafting because it takes some time. So yeah, see you in a few minutes. Welcome back. I've made this a really short. So I'm gonna kill all the slimes. Look around, slimes. I don't know if it's an objective to kill all slimes, but I would be really look at that. But, oh, sorry. Oh crap! I'm gonna have an iron golem on me. Please don't attack me, iron golem. Oh, I got scared. See you in there. Come on, get me level 10. Come on, slime. Where are you? Oh, slime. Get out! This is bad. It's impossible to kill. Oh, good. So I was trying to oh, hell no. Okay, okay. Because these little ones can't deal damage, otherwise I would be killed by now. I would get ganged up. Oh, let's pick it up again. So yeah, Yes, I've got golems on my side. Oh yeah, good idea. I'm just gonna rob someone's house, and there's a slime down there, and there's a slime here. So yeah, just gonna rob some walls. Lag. Sorry for the lag one. Oh god, that's big lag. Big scary lag. Oh, I can't, but it's not sure of it. Yeah, sorry about this stupid man. So the wall swap one through. Oh, 2 times. God, that's dark. I'm lagging for the plant. Okay, so this is really laggy. This is having problems since after. Could be. Yeah, it says it's going to be active. We're level on my 6. Okay. Oh, what the? Oh, crap. Oh, he's chopping down my own house. Oh, so I don't need to do that. That's it. Coward. Oh, God. Whoa, swollen. Oh, okay. You know, like that. I'm gonna put. Unless it was yep. Oh, crap. Sorry, dude. Oh, I'm going to put you in there now. I'm sorry. Ah! God! God! What? How the deuce did he get? Oh, what the heck? What? How the? You can't destroy this house. Oh, come on! How did you get me? No! What? Well, that was brilliant, Mike. Oh, I still got time to show you my other work. Well, I will get back to that world, but yeah. So yeah, on this world's legit. I'll prove it. Don't worry about that. So, on this world I've built, well, you're wondering what kind, okay, wait, I'm gonna fall down, stop, fall down! Okay, you didn't exactly fall down, so I'm just gonna put these doing it. So, what this is my little mob trap, and, the cookie thing. Okay, so I turn this on, and like, gouge walls open, and then like, go and walk out, and you'll get your ass to swoop down. Yeah? So, this is my little mob trap, spawner trap thing. I wait until both of them get down. Let's get down. And I'll range on another one second. Then all I'll do now is, well, I have got stairs and all that, so I'll still get it. Oh, cool. Could have made it. So this is how I get down. But then over here is my little chest room where I put all my stuff. Over got my little got my little farm there. So that wasn't meant to be shown, but I was just showing, well, my little mob trap corner thing. That wasn't meant to be shown, so please rate, comment, subscribe, and that was a bad fail for me from the slime survival. So leave a comment saying if you found that funny or not. So good night.